So you like me without glasses or with glasses? But I can't really see. Ano daw? My mother Tanya loves you a lot. She's a lesbian. You're her favorite girl. She wanna marry. Oh, for real? Is your mother pretty? Tell her to have scissor with me. Putang ina. You have Gcash? Yeah. Why? Are you gonna give me? Just tell me. Change your words, okay? Make it like, give me your Gcash. I'll send you money. That's that's what I wanna see. Okay. Wala na, inantok na ako. You look like my teacher. Oh, for real? Then you have a pretty teacher. Ano daw? On anything in yours, you hold anything to boss on you. Take care of your own. What? Freaky. Freaky people. What? Send me your Gcash. Hey. No, why would I send you my Gcash? How many guys can you take? For real? I can take 5 guys. 5 guys to punch with in the face. Can you put something in between it? No. I'm wise, bro. May restrictions na ako talaga kanina. Ang dami. Bet you like the smash ones. I'll smash you. You'll see. Ahay dayang. Hehehehe. What's funny, Jeffrey Epstein? Weirdo. Kick out. Ang sarap mga way dito. I like to fight, guys. Look good there. Where? Hi, Chris. Where are you from? Are you American? Bro, Gcash. Why would I send you my Gcash? It's hard to give numbers to people.